Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Halloween Instagram hack, how to create spooky text animations. So Halloween is coming at the end of the month. So if you want to create a spooky Instagram story, you can use this new Instagram feature where you can add spooky tags with animations. And first, what you need to do, you need to make sure that you already have the newest or the latest version of the Instagram app so you can get this feature. So let's just start. You can first just open the Instagram story camera. You can click on this plus button in here, and then you can choose your picture related to Halloween or the end of the October. You can just write the text. You can click on this text right here, and you'll see at the very first there is this Halloween font that you can use. So you can just write this in here. Let's, for example, celebrate Halloween together. Okay, you can change the color to how you like it. I'm going to change it into this orange color. You can adjust the size, and now to have that spooky text animations, you can just click on this text effects or animations in Insta story. You can click on the A, and there will be this new haunted text effect or animation. So just click on that and your text will become like this. Okay, you can adjust the size again if you want to. You can click on done, and then just put it in anywhere that you like. If you want to add a new text, you can just click on the A again, and don't forget to use this Halloween font again. Okay, for example, I'm going to just write a random text. Here I'm going to add this haunted and change it into red color. Click on done again, and that's it. So that's all. Don't forget to create this spooky text Instagram stories for your Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.